Adenisi Adeni, MD So Clean Calm Cleaning Services. Welcome to my cleanliness and awareness series. Okay, today I want to talk about domestic staff. I've been receiving some, you know, message on complaints, let me put it that way, about domestic staffs, the situation, the circumstances surrounding, these domestic staffs that people hire either in their office or their private homes. And I was in a conversation with some professionals, where we had this conversation about the importance of these domestic staff in our office or our private home, and the necessary steps to take towards achieving or getting the best domestic staff, to get the professional one, to get the trained one. We have also realized how some people get to recruit some of their domestic staff. They try to cut cost, so they go through unprofessional way to get those domestic staffs. And when they start having issues that touches the heart, they will blame it on the professional industry that are in charge of recruiting these domestic staffs. So I just want to say this quickly because this is very important. If you need a domestic staff, either in your office or in your private home, go through the right channel. Contact professionals to recruit for you. Those that will be recruit for you, those that will be given to you or sent to your office or to your private home, honestly, madam, been trained, madam, gone through some training in skills, in communication skills, in self-management skills, team management skills. They might have gone through all those, safety skills. They might have gone through some level of training. So when you have them in your office or in your home, they have been trained for what to do in that space. So if you're having any issue with them, you have an office or someone to report back to give feedback to, and they can always replace these people until they meet up your expectations. So it's necessary for you to do the necessary thing. You going through the professional route. They will screen this domestic staff for you. They will put the right thing in place that will help you, to work to help meet up with your expectation. And in case of any issues, you always have where to give your feedback to. And this can always, help you as you, progress in your business or your private space. So go through the right channel, go through professionals who have these domestic staff, who have put them to check, who have put them to training, and everything will work for you instead of you just picking anyone randomly to be in your space and adding up edit to you or to your business. We at So Clean Calm, by God's grace, we are a recruiting company as well. We also train. We have series of training that we do for both existing and yet to be domestic staffs. We have put those things in place and will continue to do so. Thank you.